Welcome back again. Our topic for today is emergency generator. How to test using electric starter and how to test using spring starter. All crew must know this one, and we have also a drill regarding this one. Okay, let's go. First step, selection mode, turn into manual. This auto mode or standby mode must be turned off because you select already a manual mode. Okay, check all the emergency generator without leaking. This is the quick closing valve. You check, it must be open. Sometimes it is closed because sometimes it hits, but you check, it must be normally open. That is quick closing. This is the lever, the quick closing. Besides this vent suction, vent, natural vent. Also, this is the vent, need to open. Before you start, check all the vents. This is the cabinet for quick closing valve. Sometimes they test and then they pull it, then they don't know how to reset. We have a quick closing valve video. You can check how to reset that valve. We have here the engine, emergency engine supply fan, or emergency diesel engine supply fan. It has a two selection, auto and manual. Auto means during starting of emergency generator, the fan also starts. This is the starting push button. Check the level of the radiator because we are rolling right now. Okay, this is the start button. Okay, the generator is starting right now. The indicator running is lights up, means the generator is running. Also, you can check the battery indicator and the charger. As you notice, our fan is running because we are in the auto mode. Our emergency supply fan is auto mode. Then this is the ACB switch, and this is the insulation monitoring. Hertz, almost 440. Okay, this is our ampere or current monitoring. This is our resistance, insulation resistance reading. It's good. Is a alarm unit, emergency stop line, SAV fault. This is our breaker, bus tie breaker, maker metasol. Okay, we will open this panel. Also has a test mode switch inside the panel. OCRs, timers, transformers, relay is in the panel. This is the insulation monitoring at the back. This is a setting. And then, as you can see, 440 volts. We will check the RPM. Okay, good. Low oil pressure, it's normal. Low oil temp, because we are newly run this generator, it's good. Water temperature is good. It's also a battery specification here. It said 10 hours straight, and then manufacture date is built in 2017, but we already changed July 2020, but the nameplate said 3 to 5 years. It depends upon the temperature or ambient temperature. This is our battery charger. You need to check also. All parameters are normal. During starting, you need to check this generator and observe. We have here the starter, electric starter connected to the battery. This is the suction filter and also has an indicator bed. So here, this is the alternator. Just check while it's running, check the leakings. This is the push button for stopping the engine, emergency generator engine. Okay, we will stop it. You see the RPMs go down. That's it. And put to auto. If you put to auto, you must press reset so that the standby indicator will light up. See, the indicator will light up. Auto standby. Okay. Next, how to start a spring starter. Put in manual, but first we check again the oil. First thing, we check the dipstick. It's almost the same as we checked before we start this testing. Note, if you test this emergency generator, you need to check also the oil, also the parameter. Before I start this generator, I check all parameters is normal before we test or carried out testing. For this one, manual mode, put in manual mode. The light is turned off because it's manual mode. This is the lever. You can engage the lever, but came a alarm. It occurs alarm. It means it has a alarm that it is spring engaged. Also in the engine room, AMS will gives an alarm in engine room to know that you test the emergency generator. As you can see, you can engage this one first, or you can lock the fuel solenoid locking device. The spring starter has indicator. Green is unwind, white is warm engine. It has a indicator. This one, green is unwind, red is fully charged, or the black is partially charged. You can rotate clockwise. Also has a plate for instruction. Plate instruction, as per instruction, run 3 minutes before shutting down. 3 to 5 minutes. This is the locking device for the solenoid, fuel solenoid. You can engage it. Okay, it's engaged. For fuel shutdown solenoid valve. Second step is put a locking device for this solenoid shutdown valve. Then ready, engage. You can turn clockwise until it is white or red. Okay. It is hard to wind this spring if you're using a one hand. Okay, secure this unit, winding unit, and then the indicator is good. This lever you push down so that the engine will stop. This lever need to push down. Okay, success. The engine is running. Then check again all parameters. RPM, indicators, lube oil pressure and temperature is okay. Run idle 3 minutes. The minimum is 3 minutes. Okay, check all parameters. It's almost the same as we ran lately. insulation resistance monitoring. The reading is good. All parameters: battery, low oil pressure, RPM, low oil temperature, and water temperature. That is the shutdowns. Water temperature, low oil temperature is low oil pressure is also a shutdown. Low oil shutdown. Low oil pressure is included in the shutdown. The fan is running because we are in auto mode. Okay, we check if there is a smoke coming to this vent. It's cleared. All are normal. All parameters are normal, and operation of this generator is normal. Also need to test this telephone. Just go to the bridge or go to engine room so that you can test this telephone. Okay, this generator is almost 3 years because this ship is 2017, almost new. The ship is, or the generator is clean and almost new. Of course, by the way, we need to stop. Press stop button and then release the lever so that it will stop this generator manually, because you already pushed the stop push button, and then you release this lever. That's all. And then put to auto. And don't forget to press the reset button so that the standby mode will activate. See? That's it. Before you leave, check all the units is intact, no leakings. Also, this is the fuel bulbs in and out. Just exercise every time you test weekly. This is the plate for the AVR. Do not wind spring except only manual selection. Okay, this is the nameplate for the alternator. Stamford MX311, the model of AVR. Okay, we will find the nameplate for the engine. At the other side. This one is the switchboard. KTE. This one is the nameplate for the engine. Engine maker comments. As you can see, model 6C TA8.3-D. Also indicate the firing order. Okay, that's it. If you like this video, click thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button for more updates.